Hello kids, this session we're going to have a look into multiplication. First, I want to ask you a question. How many cycles do you see on the screen? Yes, that was very simple. There are 3 cycles.
Now can you tell me how many wheels are there in total?
Yes, it is 6. You should have answered it really quick kids. If you were counting, that will take more time. Let me teach you a simple method to count that very quick.
Each and every cycle has 2 wheels, right? 2, 2 and this cycle also has 2 wheels.
So one method that we already know to find the answer is addition. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So instead of counting, you could have done that addition quickly in your mind and you could have solved it. There is a method with which you can even quickly find the answer. Yes, that is multiplication. We all know 2 tables, right?
How many 2's are there? There are 3 2's because there are 3 cycles.
So you will simply say 2 tables and you can find that 2 3's are 6. So you again got the same 6 as the answer. And that cross symbol is nothing but the symbol of multiplication. Just like how plus is a symbol of addition, minus is the symbol of subtraction, this cross symbol is the symbol of multiplication.
Now let me ask you another question. How many cycles are there here, kids? Yes, 6 cycles. Now can you find and tell me how many wheels are there for these 6 cycles? Let us check your answer. The same way, each and every cycle has 2 wheels, right?
And we have to add 2 6 times. So repeatedly we are adding the same number. Remember kids, only when the same number is being added again and again you can use multiplication. So then you will think, how many times is 2 being added? 6 times. So 2 6 are, yes, 12.
So there are a total of 12 wheels for these 6 cycles. Wonderful job, kids.
One another place where you can use multiplication is when you want to count in groups. If you notice carefully, kids, each and every group has the same number of stars. That is why we are using multiplication. And the trick here is, first you just have to see how many number of objects are there in each groups. Each group has, yes, 5 stars and you have to multiply. That is the symbol of multiplication. Multiply it with total number of groups. How many groups are there here? Yes, 4. So you will write 5 fours are. What is 5 fours are? All of you know 5 tables. Yes, 20. Just imagine kids, if you had counted this one by one by one, it would have taken so much time, right? Multiplication makes you fast. You can even verify what is 5 plus 5? 10. 10 plus 5? 15. 15 plus 5? 20. We've got the same answer. So whenever you want to count in groups, you can use this trick to find the answer. Now, let us try to find how many smileys are there in this array. Okay, there are a lot of smileys. First, you just have to do a simple method. You will count the number of rows and you will multiply it with the number of columns. How many rows are there here? Yes, there are 4 rows. And how many columns are there? Yes, 6 columns. So you will write that number in the blackboard in your mind. 4 6 are, what is 4 6 are? Yes, 24. Shall I teach you one another trick, kids? You can even do it the other way around, counting the number of columns first and multiplying it with the number of rows. Will that change the answer? What is 6 fours are? That is also 24. So you can do multiplication either way. Even if you change the order of the number, the answer is same. You can even verify it with the tables that you already know. What is 2 threes are? 6. 3 twos are? Is also 6. So you can even change the order of rows and columns. You'll get the same answer. Now, I'll tell you some basic facts on multiplication. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. You don't believe me? We'll check that. 0 times 6. So, let us add 0 6 times. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Wait. How many ever times we add 0? We're going to get 0 only, right? So no matter if it is 6 or whatever number be it, the answer is 0. Next, any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. What is 1 6 are? We are just handling 1 6 kids. We are not adding it with any other number. 1 times 6, there's just 1 6. So the answer is 6. What is 1 times million? It's million. 1 times trillion is trillion. That is all for this session, kids. Next session, we'll see few more tricks on multiplication. Bye, kids.